The life of LGBTQ workers can be tough, and according to the community,
half of LGBTQ workers do not come out at the job because they are afraid of discrimination. And of those that do come out, 1 in 4 of them actually do face discrimination at the workplace.
That, along with a potential legal war in Washington, has brought hundreds of LGBTQ labor activists to the steps of the Supreme Court.
It is great to see all of these people turning out. We have organizations from all over the country. We had the machinists, obviously. We had our teachers, our federal employees, our flight attendants, and our communications workers. The AFL-CIO was here.
For years, the gay community believed sexual orientation on the job was protected by the 1964 Civil Rights Act. But several key cases before the Supreme Court could challenge that assertion after prominent firings of LGBTQ workers across the country.
It's actually very upsetting, and especially after all of the advancements we had seen in the last decade.
As the Supreme Court takes time to review the cases, unions say they'll continue to apply political pressure. Activists also say these court cases only prove labor's value in a time when LGBTQ workers are still fighting for equality.
It's really important that we have more and more workers join unions so they have the protections of a union, and they're not always at risk of what's going to be happening here at the Supreme Court or in Congress. And when that way the workers themselves have control over their rights at the workplace.